Alright, guys, welcome to another episode of Two Guys Painting. This is the home we're painting today. This one is located in St. Pete, Florida. St. Pete, as you can see by the busy street. I don't want to show the street because there is a mailbox. But here it is. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the home.
We gotta do pressure washer, coke today. Maybe we can spray the softly. You know how the American people say, rock and roll. You start with pressure washer, pressure cleaning. Lavar. Lavar esta pinga, hacer. Pressure cleaning first. Boom. Where it cook all that around the trees. We don't have too much cooking. Mask off all the windows with the plastic. Boom, boom. That's a lot of pressure wash on the deck, man. The deck is very dirty. So we gotta clean all the deck. So gotta be like a brand new. So you don't go to see the difference between now and after the pressure wash. Boom. you to see the difference before the wash and after the wash.
Okay.
We gotta start to mask all the windows. I'm waiting for the paint, man. Maybe we can spray the Sophie today.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah, because it has to wait for the paint.
You cannot paint without paint?
No. I can't, man.